How to fix Skype cannot see contacts. First things first, you have to understand that the Skype application has been discontinued as of May 5, 2025, and it has been now fully integrated into Microsoft Teams. So to fix this cannot see issue error, you simply have to go ahead and open your device's app drawer. From here, you simply have to locate the Teams application icon and then long press it. Then tap on this I option to access the app info panel. Scroll down to the permissions section, then head to the not allowed option. From here, you should be able to find the phone or contacts and accounts option. You simply have to go ahead and tap on it, then set it to allow. Once you do this, the permission will now be shifted to the allowed option. Now head backwards and relaunch the application and your problem will be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.